I'm Eric Fuselier, flex talc engineer based out of Gosman, Louisiana. A big problem you have with these headers, right, is a big giant piece of usually carbon steel. You know, they heat up at different rates, right? Fluid comes in through the bottom and the middle, goes across the whole header. So when you heat it up, like you do when you put that cookie sheet in the oven on broil, right? What you shouldn't be doing, but it'll start rolling. You start twisting on it. Same thing with these headers. These headers get as hot, they start bowing, they start warping, they start doing funny things. On top of that, your plug is gonna start growing on you. And the only thing keeping the fluid in there is that OEM washer, right? Just a piece of metal. And if you have you don't have enough recovery to make up for that shifting of the header, the growing of the nut, the growing of the plug, you're gonna have leaks, and that's what everyone experiences, these leaks, because things start growing. Anything will pass hydro. I mean, a bicycle tire will pass hydro. Once you put it running, things start leaking. So yeah, the OEM typically is a standard plug with a washer, right? The washer has no recovery. So what do you do when the standard OEM leaks? You go to what they call a cam profile, right? It's cam profile here. Serrations with a facing on it. Limited recovery, right? It'll delay the inevitable. You're gonna put them in there, it's gonna pass hydro, and then a few weeks later, you're gonna start seeing drips, right? It's gonna start growing on you. You know, your plugs will start growing, your header starts moving, weird things start happening. You don't have the recovery to make up for the loss of boatload when everything starts becoming alive. Plant's got to do, there's a few things they can do to mitigate it, right? You can reduce rates, that way you're not spilling media all over the place. You can come back in and weld it, but whenever you got to do maintenance on your equipment, you got to cut out the weld, so that's additional cost, or you just live with the leak. And nowadays with the EPA, that's not a good option. So at Flex Talc, we decided to come up with an idea. We use our proprietary change gasket in combination with a redesigned plug to get more surface area to accommodate the larger change gasket. Change on the ID, cam profile, and the OD, just because we had a little bit more room. Whenever these exchangers heat up, start growing on you, that change gasket, the recovery from it, you keep your gasket stressed. It's like shock springs on a car, right? You're going to keep that load where you need it. There's no machining necessary. There's no prep needed. You just got to clean the surface area. You stick them on where they, stick on the kit where the old OEMs were, and life is good. All the recovery you need. Most recovery of any gasket on the market. And then whenever you crank these bad boys up, it recovers everything you need. Keep that boat load and keep running to full capacity.